See, and yesterday we have seen the difference between ECC and SAP for HANA when it comes to the accounts payables configurations. Okay, so I mean, for every server, there will be a errors. Okay, when it comes to the business partner roles, BP creation of the BP roles and categories and all. Okay, if the category is not there for the particular BP role, okay, so system will automatically give you the error. Why? Because whatever the standards that we are maintaining for the BP roles, okay, so some of the users will, I mean, they will be able to delete the different types of business category rules. So that is why we have got the error yesterday. So I mean, most probably it has taken 2 hours of time, okay, to resolve the issue and all. Okay, there is no worries. But the thing is that, see, no one will going to face the different types of things. I mean, different types of errors regarding with business partner roles in SAP system. Okay, see, some of the people will going to face the thing, but the thing is that you have to learn the implementation process errors also. Okay, and at the same time, when it comes to the supporting projects and all, you need to have the clarity on the errors. Okay, how it is able to linked with any business partner rules. That is the important thing right now. We have all of you. Okay, now we are in ECC, and at the same time, in ECC we have accounts payables, accounts receivables configurations in that. Mainly, you know it very well. So all these accounts receivables configurations are mainly dealing with the customers, right? So this accounts receivables application, we can call it as component. Okay, this accounts receivables application components records and manages accounting data for all customers. Okay, so it is also an integral part of the sales system. Okay, particularly this accounts receivables is mainly dealing with the SD. Okay, sales and distributions. We can call it as a OTC process. That is order to cash. So to do the operations of the sales and distributions, okay, with the help of FI, okay, you need to have subledger topic. Okay, what is the subledger? So that is AR, FI to AP, FI to AR, or the subledgers. Mainly, we need to think about the subledgers, all of you. Why? Because in interview point of view, how you are connecting all these points with SD based on the FI things. Okay, there will be some account determinations, how we are assigning all these things, and also you are dealing with the customers, right? So when you are dealing with the customers, you will going to have the limits. How the limits are explaining. Okay, at the same time, based on which document, how you are giving the limits. Okay, all these points are very important, all of you. Same configurations will be there as we did in the accounts payables configurations and all. Okay, good. Same thing. So creation of accounting group using transaction code OBT2. Go to the transaction code OBT2 and try to create the customers group. That is domestic customer group, international customer group, one-time customer group. If you are dealing with the, I mean, if you are dealing with the domestic customers, which is related to the business transactions and all, okay, we can call it as a domestic customer group. And at the same time, if we are dealing with the foreign customers, so which is related to the business transactions and all, so On that thing, we can able to call all these things as international customer. If we are dealing with the only one-time customers, okay, what we can say. So here we can call it as a one-time customer group. Then you go to the new entries, and in the group, you can just give, in the accounting group, you can just give anything. Um, Customer accounting group, right? CAG1, CAG1. Hmm. So in the name, you can just give domestic customer accounting group. Very good. See, all of you, you can able to maintain, okay, um, the thing is that general data and component data, and the next one is a sales data. See, output determination processor. Here, why we need to give the output determination processor? That means that when you are giving the credit limit to the particular customer, and you will do the integration with the sales and distributions. When you're dealing with the sales and distributions and on, there will be a output determination processor. Okay, why? Because in the general data, we do maintain one-time account and also what is this thing? Output determination procedure. Okay, so I will just give you the one example. Okay, so the main important thing is that so you have customer inquiry, you have customer quotation, and at the same time creation of the sales orders. Okay, and then post goods issue and billing the document. I mean billing the customers and deliver to the customers. See, that is important for the SD things, right? So basically, in output determination, this is the output determination procedure, right? And this output determination is the basic method. So that is used to determine the uh, invoices. Okay, what are those invoices? That is sales invoices and all. Okay, how to able to find out the output determinations for the particular SD things and all. Okay, so this output determination is the process. Okay, what are those processes? So to determine the things like how we can able to print the billing document, how we can able to print the delivery documents and all. So based on the customer master data. Okay, so the thing is that see how we are determining these sales activities. Okay, sales and sales ledgers and invoice things and all, and output determination for the billing documents also. Okay, so go to this output determination procedure. Go to the drop down option. See all of you. Output for sold to party, output for a ship to party, output for bill to party, and output for payer, and output sold to party. See all of you. Here we will not going to give the output determination processor until you have the configuration of the SDs. Okay. So see here, when you have the sales area data for the particular customer, automatically you will going to give the bill to party, ship to party, pay to party, and sold to party. Okay, that is the important point for us. And when it comes to the OTC configurations, we will come back to this accounting groups and we will assign. If you don't assign, there is no worries. Why? Because in the sales area data, under this controllings of the data of the particular customers, you will going to have bill to party, ship to party, sold to party, and bill. So that is the important. Now it is not at all important. See, for your reference only, I am just giving you the information. Remove this thing and go to the save button and save it. Yes, give slash in, sorry, come back and go to the new entries and once again create the CAG2, that is International Customer Accounting Group. And the name is International Customer Accounting Group. Okay, good. So the next one is go to the save button and save it. And you know it very well, all of you. You can able to maintain the field status like general data, company code data, and sales data. And today you can able to see how we can able to suppress the fields. Okay, for the customer master data when it comes to the company code data. Okay, so come back and try to create the one-time customer accounting group. See, all of you, why I am only using the domestic customer accounting group? See, this is demo server, right? So that is fine. We don't have, I mean, when it comes to the foreign currency evaluations, we use the international accounting group for the vendors as well as the customers. The important thing is that we can able to use the three accounting groups. There is no issue. Okay, so based on the accounting group only, you can able to create the account, right? I mean, customer accounts, right? I mean, customer master data records, right? So that is your choice, all of you. So, I mean, don't be in a position that why we are not using the international customer accounting group in a one-time account customer group and all. Okay, so try to create the one-time customer accounting group. Go to the new address and give CAG3. And name is one-time customer accounting group. Okay, so you can just tick mark on this one-time account. Why? Because it is just one time. Here, tick mark on the one-time account. Go up. That one. Just tick mark on this thing and go to the save button and send. Okay, so everything is fine, right? So can you give slash n, give slash n and go to the next configuration. What is the next configuration that we have? Creation of number ranges using transaction code XDN is go to the transaction code XDN1 to create the number ranges for the particular accounting group. Why we need to create the accounting? Why we need to create the number ranges for the accounting group, all of you? So number range is used to create the number range for the particular accounting group. Why? Because based on this number ranges only, with the help of accounting group, you can able to create the number for the customer master data at the same time vendor master data. Okay, go to the edit intervals. So because of these things, you can able to identify the customers. You got my point? And go to the insert interval. Insert interval. Mm, number is anything, customer accounting group, right? Can you give C1? C1 and from number range is what is the number range? 23,500 to 33,500. Two number is 33,500. Can you click on the enter? Go to the continue option. Enter intervals is got to point. Cancel this time. Cancel the thing. Remove the thing. Cancel. Here there is no any free intervals. Okay. In ACC there is no any free intervals. Can you come down? 10,002. Sorry, 1 lakh 2. Okay. So go up. Insert the interval. Insert the interval. Give the C1. From number range is 1,20,000 to 1,21,000. 1,20,000 to 1,21,000. Click on the enter. Okay, can you remove this thing? And it is overlapping. Give 111, 22, 33, 44. Okay, so here two number is 11, 33, 11, 33, 44, 55. Click on the enter. Okay, right. Go to the save button and submit. Now it is taking the number range, all of you. Go to the save button and submit. Okay, good. So the next one. What is the next configuration that you have? Assign number range to accounting group using transaction code OBAR. Go to the transaction code OBAR. So we will going to assign this number range to the particular accounting groups. Okay. So which you are going to use. I mean, that is not decided by any SAP FICO consultant, and those things are particularly decided by the clients only, all of you. Okay. Go to the position and try to give your group. Yes, click on the enter, go to the receivable and save it. No issue. Right. So the next one, what is the next configuration that we have? Okay, before we create the customer accounting, customer master data using transaction code XT01, okay, all of you. So we need to try to create the customer tolerance group as well as the customer reconciliation account. Okay, so go to the transaction code. What is the thing? OBD4, right? So go to the transaction code OBD4. No. Remove this thing. First, to create any customer master data, first you need to have the um, customer reconciliation account as well as the customer tolerance group also. Okay. Go to the position and give your chart of accounts. So customer reconciliation comes under this current liabilities, right? 100,500. No, current assets. Where is the current assets? 200,100. Okay, good. And what about the sales? 3 lakh. Okay. Go to the FS00 transaction code. See for customer master data and all. So we need to have one account, right, to post the entries. I mean, to test the configurations of the accounts receivable. We need to have the sales accounts as well as we need to have the customer reconciliation accounts. Go to the current assets. Go to the current assets. Open the current assets. Okay, take out, go to the create option and give the number as 200,102. GL account is 200,102. Yes, DUR1 is your company code. Okay, good. Go to the continue option. Okay. Go to the continue option. Right. So in the accounting group, just take out the current assets and balance sheet account. Is, and in the short text, you can just give, in the short text, you can just give customer reconciliation account. And in the GL long text, just give customer reconciliation account. Go to control data. Yes, accounting currency is INR and reconciliation account for accounting type is customers. For vendors, We have taken the vendors, right? For customers, we need to take out the customers also. Okay, so the next one, line item display and sort key is 001. Based on the posting database, we will get the report, right? Give the line item display tick mark. Sort key is 001. Then create or bank interest is, and in the field status group, that is G067. G067. That is reconciliation account. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, so go to the create option. Go to the create option. Yes, and try to take out the 3 lakh. 300,000. 300,000. Go to the continue option. Now go to the type or description. Type or description tab. And take out the accounting group as the sales accounting group. Sales accounting group is, and the next one is balance sheet account. Balance sheet account, and the short text is sales account, and the GL long text is also sales account. And GL account long text also sales account. Okay, the next one is control data. In the control data, everything is same. Line item display and sort key is 001. Go to the create or bank interest. The create or bank interest. A field status group is G001. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Yes, go to the save button and save it. Continue option. Okay, this data is also saved, all of you. So can you give /n? And what is the next thing? Go to the Word document. So we have created the customer reconciliation account. Okay, and the next one is we need to create the customer tolerance group using transaction code OVA3. Go to the transaction code OVA3. Go to the new address and give the company code and give the tolerance group as CA customer account tolerance group, right? CATG. Tolerance group as CATG. TG. TT. T for toy. Customer tolerance account tolerance group. And in the description, you can just give customer tolerance group. Same thing. There will be a permitted payment differences as we discussed in the accounts payables configurations. That is creation of tolerance group for vendors and all. Okay, in the permitted payment differences, you can just give gain as 100 and percent as 5 and the adjust cast as well. See, this is the standard things that we follow for the any invoices and all, which is not applicable to any amount. Click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. Can you give /n? And Go to the transaction code XD01. Now we can able to create the customer master data using all of this reconciliation account, tolerance groups and on. Okay. Go to the transaction code XD01. Take out the accounting group. Take out the accounting group. What is the accounting group that we have created? Domestic customer accounting group. Can you come down? Where is your customer accounting group? Down. Now. Now. Go to the customer accounting group. Take out that thing and give the company code and remove the sales organization. We don't have sales organization and distribution channel and district. Okay, I mean divisions and why? Because we haven't done any configurations for the O2C, right? FIDST integrations. System will not allow you to create the customer master data, all of you. If you don't, I mean, if you give this data, why? Because until you don't have the information of the FIDST integrations and all, how you can able to create the customer master data? Yeah, so remove the distribution channel and remove the division also. Okay, click on the continue option. Give the title, any customer title. Anything. Bajaj Electronics. In the search term to just give Bajaj Electronics also. The next one is the street house number. Can you give the street and give the house number also? And the city. And post office box and postal code. Give the post office box like Gandhinagar in it. Yes, that's fine. And give the postal code 517584. Okay, go to the company code data. Go up, there is a company code data. Yes. The use of the click on the enter. last written characters in the field sort one. Give the reconciliation account. Go to the drop down option. Give the reconciliation account. Take out that customer reconciliation account. Give the sort key. Give the sort key as 001. Give the sort key as 001. Then cash management group. Give the cash management group. Give the cash management group is. Give the cash management group. Major customers. Major vendors are there. E6. Okay. Major customers. Can you go to the payment transaction tab? Just give payment transaction tab as 000. Wow. I mean, in the terms of payments, the 0001 means immediately. So when the customer buys the goods from you, automatically on that particular day only, they will transfer the amount to your customer account. Give the dollars group that you have created, CATG. Click on the enter, go to the save button and submit. So you know it very well, all of you. 11, 22, 33, 44 customer has been created. Why? Because we have given the same number range for the particular accounting group, right? So based on the accounting group, based on the number range, we have created one number for the particular customer master data. Okay, so everything is fine, right? Now we will going to post the invoice using transaction code FB70. So I mean to test the things whether we have done the configuration very well or not. Go to the transaction code FB70. Give your customer, first take out your company code. Yes, and get the invoice date 20.06.2023 and the amount, whatever the amount that you want, you can just give it. Give the text. Selling selling finished goods to customer. Selling finished goods to customer. Selling finished goods to customer. The next one, take out your GL account. What is the GL account? That is sales, right? So customer account debit to sales account credit. Go to the continue option and take out the sales account. Double click on this thing. Yes, give the amount in document currency. Yes. Click on enter. No amount authorization. Okay. Go to the OP57 transaction code And for your user, try to assign the tolerance group. No issue. Give slash and go to the OP57 transaction. No. Go to the transaction code SM2 and try to clear the data. Now give the customer invoice date and amount and text test and all. Give the selling finished goods to the customer. An entry is required in the item text field. Give the text. Now click on the enter and give the business area. Now it is fine, right? Go to the simulate option and try to save the button. Go to the simulate and save. So this document has been posted, right, all of you. So now we have sold the finished goods to the particular customer, okay, from the Tata Motors. So as we are in an organization, right? So after that, the payments are to be expected. When the payments are to be expected, based on the which terms you will going to expect the payment based on the payment terms, right? What is the payment terms that we have taken for the customer master data? That is immediately, right? So on this date only, we need to get the payment using transaction code F-20. Go to the transaction code. See, they will transfer the amount to your bank account. After that only, end user will able to make the entries, okay, and end user will make the invoices, postings, and all. So that is the important thing right now we have, and we do have one technical concept, that is electronic bank statement. We can call it as a bank reconciliation account. Okay, so I mean, at the end of the day, you will try to learn the point. Just try to observe the points with this accounts receivables configurations. Give the document date as 29.06.2023. Same thing. Give bank data also. Customer payment. No, no. Receiving the payment, not the customer payment. Because and give the amount as 2000 rupees and give the business area amount as 2000 rupees and give the value date 20.06.2022, sorry, 2023, and the text as receiving the payment from customer. Receiving the payment from customer. Receiving the payment from customer. So the next one is in the open item selection. In the open item selection, give the account number. In the open item selection, give the account number. 11, 22, 33, 44. Go to the process open items. Go to the process open items. Can you come down? We are getting error. Down. Scroll down. Down we are getting what is that error? Check document date is in the future. No. 29 is the date you have given. Just remove the 29, give 0. 20, 0. 20.06.2023. Go to the process open items. Yes. Can you go to the document simulate option? Go to the subheader and select. Go up. There is a document. Go up. Up. Above search folder. Up. Find a document and simulate. Go to the subheader and save it. And go to the customer line item display using transaction code FPL final. Now take out the open items. Do we have open items? Go to the execute option, Manish. Execute. There is no open items. And take out the customer account first of all. 11, 22, 33, 44. Mm. Go to the execute option. Okay, there is no open items. Take out the cleared items. Go to the execute option. Okay, so this is the document number for invoice posting. This is the document number for invoice clearing. Okay, see all of you, the main important thing is that how we can able to confirm these things. So based on their bank statements and all, we can able to confirm the invoice things. Then we can able to post the customer receiving payments in SFA system. Got my point? Based on the bank reconciliation statements. Can you give slash in? So this is the way how we can able to test the things based on the accounts receivables configuration in ECC. Okay. I'm going to stop this recording, all of you.